They were playing called Tsunami Disaster Survival. In this game, we're gonna survive by a tsunami. If we survive this, there are many survivors to buy this any items you want. So let's go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification bell if you like my videos. So let's go. Okay, we're here now. Let's look. Look, there's a tsunami. If you step over that, you're gonna die. So let's be survive that tsunami. Let's go. We survived our first. Oh my god. Look, and there's my name. Okay, we survived the. Let's go. Let's take for a moment. Oh, headquarters. Oh, let's go. No, there's oh my god, the tsunami is coming. We need to. Okay. Oh my god, there's someone died. Hurry up, guys, hurry up. Oh my god, because do not go that. It's dangerous. Or you will get hit by the tsunami. Oh my god, someone died and they so dumb. Whee! But, we survive again. Let's go, viewers. Sorry. Oh, next is the toilet. Oh, look. Look, I wrote the thing down when I'm playing in Sinarville. Look. Oh, the tsunami is coming. Bro, be careful out there, bro. They go inside into the house, but the tsunami is coming inside of the house. Look, we're in the roof. We're in the houses in the roof. Look. Oh my god. There's someone there. Oh my goodness. They saw the how to play this game. Whee! So we're done. Oh my god. Okay. So we're going to the next one. Okay, let's wait for a Oh, Happy Homes guys. Copper. What is it? Oh, it's the same other. It's the same house we did it. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, the tsunami is coming, bro. Someone kill me, bro. Well, it's okay. Luckily, I climbed into the tallest building. Look. Oh my god, someone always reset their character. Oh my god, wait, they jumping into the tsunami? So that's why they're dying. Oh my god, someone jumped into the tsunami. Let's go, we survived. Wee, boop. Oh my god, someone died. Bro. That girl is so dumb. Oh, farm, bro. This is the farm. We're gonna go into the farm in the farm in the. It's just look. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, luckily I in here now. Bro, there's two in still in the floor in the ground, bro. They're so dumb. Oh my god. Three though. Oh my god, they're so dumb. They're so dumb. They go into the farm. Look, luckily we go into the farm inside of the barn. My god. Dang. Look at this place. Full of tsunami. Oh my god. Oh, that girl jumped into the tsunami, dude. Don't do that, okay? Let's go. We survive another again. Woo! Let's go. Let's wait for a moment. Oh my god, 3 hours. Wait a minute. So what's kind of... Oh, it's the same we saw in my other video from Jeff the Killer. Look guys, it's the same thing I was playing in the elevator. Let's see how we can go into the top of the tree. Oh, we can go in. Oh my god, before bro, do not push me or I will hit by the tsunami. Let's go. Look, it's the same in the inside elevator. You can climb the tree in here. Look at this guys, bro. I love this game. It's just like inside elevator. Let's go! Whee! Boop! Oh my god. Look, this guy is handsome. Oh my god, he don't know clothes. He don't have no clothes, bro. Oh my god. This girl. Oh my god, he got the Naruto clothes. Oh my god. It's good though. Let's go in there. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, the tsunami's coming. This thing is gonna break here and when the tsunami's here now. Let's go. Oh my god, holy moly. Oh my god, the tsunami is good. I never. Oh my god. Oh my god, there God, the tsunami is coming. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, goodness, goodness. Oh my god. God, I'm good. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, tsunami is coming. Dang it, bro. Oh my god. God, I'm good. Oh my god, I got die. Oh my god. Let's wait the tsunami. Oh my god. God, I'm the weird died. Oh my god. I hate that map always nice. Let's go have some fun. Just you have the side. Look the all the their screen. Look they have I think they're happy like that. Just wait to see it. Or they just crazy. Did they go? Whee! Oh my I like this school when I die and I always take to join. So we're gonna the choose map is the tower. Wait there's something familiar. This tower is the Roblox rivals from Crossroads. No, it's familiar. It's the same in Roblox rivals from Crossroads. I like this. I like this game, bro. This thing is in the Roblox Tribals and the Trails in Insane Elevator and other games. Ano?
god. Oh my god, bro. Look, the tsunami almost go into the stairs. Bro, I need never. Oh my god. Look, this guy is jersey. Look, he wearing the Michael Jordan jersey. Luckily, we survived this another one. Okay, just wait for a moment. Oh, they took castle. I know that. That's the sand castle. It's a sand castle. Look. Oh no, that's not the sand castle. Bro, I thought what is the sand castle. I like the sand castle. Bro, this. Oh my god, they're pushing me. Bro, gotta go to other side. I hate them. Oh my god, the tsunami is coming. Oh my god, go on, get this. Yes. Bro, look, two guys see the tsunami. Oh, they died. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this thing is shaking. Look, guys, look, this thing is shaking, bro. Okay, okay, lucky we survived that. Oh my god, isn't it? Oh, let's go. Oh wait, let's final round. I will. Oh, final round, guys. Final round. Final survive. Oh, let's wait for a moment to wait. What is the next? Oh my god, construction. I know. Here, I'm gonna here. Wait a minute. Look, this thing is like just the thermal thing. This the I don't know why this is the crane. Okay, we're in the constructions vehicle. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. Holy moly! I mean the top of the tallest building. Oh, the other place is the tallest building. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I'm stuck. Oh, it's fine. Luckily, I go in. Oh, I can get out. Look, we can go up in here, look, guys. Oh my god. Oh, okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button to like my videos. Bye bye.